Hey, it's your boy Chico, man. Welcome back to my channel. Alright, so it's not a king set, it's not a club. We're back at a construction house site, bro. We're willing to stay at a construction site today. My brother, Hector's scared off his ass.
I'm fucking scared. This is fucking stupid.
Ready? Let's get this popping. Come on, guys. Let's go. Oh shit. My brother's lamp died, blood. Oh shit. Is it that one guy from Pioneer? No mames, who the fuck is doing this house? These niggas are tripping. This is hella unsafe. This is unsafe as bro. OSHA will charge these.
Hector, show. Let me see.
Boy, I can't believe we're doing this. Oh shit. Hey, are you scared, nigga?
I ain't scared. I'm pretty tired.
This nigga really brought a pillow.
He's the only nigga with a pillow, bro.
Bro, I only brought water, bro. Hey, I gotta stay hydrated. I gotta take a piss too.
Oh, you stay tuned. Nigga spell stay. Stay what? Stay tuned. Like, oh yeah.
But you graduated from high school.
Oh
nigga.
yeah.
Hector, you scared, bro?
No, nigga, I'm trying to fall asleep.
Then why you say you're not gonna be here for long?
No, I said if you gonna move to the bathroom, nigga, you ain't gonna leave me here by myself.
Bathroom, girl.
You sitting up
Man, you're the one that keeps fucking recording.
and I'm walking around.
It's the air. It was the air. Y'all tripping. Hector, you're scared.
Yeah, I'm leaving my phone, sir. Hey,
What? Yo, they keep shaking the door. It's an update. We're still like kind of freaked out of this shit, bro. Like, someone cut. Someone called Siri on my brother's phone. I don't know. I think he tripping. Hector's asleep already. Also, by the way. Alright, we're fully awake. He's really fucking asleep. I keep hearing sounds, bro. I keep hearing sounds. This nigga Hector's really fucking asleep. Alright, y'all. It's currently 1 o'clock. You feel me? He's knocked out. My brother's over there. That's the lookout. I barely slept right now for an hour. You gotta take a piss. He's gonna go be in the bathtub. I slept for an hour. It was cool. It's a lot of the sound, but so far so good though. I gotta take a piss too though, to be honest. It's currently 3 o'clock. I'm hella tired. My nigga Hector knocked out. It's 3.
My back is so bad.
Your back hurts?
Hell yeah.
Yeah.
Look,
You're fucking dumb. He on the lookout for his car.
hell yeah. Look,
This is another room. Hector knocked out. It's 3 o'clock. I'm tired. You feel me? Bro, they started crying again. This nigga actor didn't hear it, bruh. Like it was like, oh, that was me. They was crying again like last time, bruh. That shit got me fucked up. That nigga, fuck, it's 3 o'clock. Isn't this the devil's hours, bruh? I guess so. I'm scared. Nigga, this nigga has no shoes on. How you feeling, bruh?
Nah, I'm not. No, I said no.
This nigga, he's in the middle of a fucking wood, my nigga.
My bad. Look at both. Hey, go get rooms of chicken for the here.
Nah, look, fucking Hector, bruh. Estás en el medio de la wood, güey. Mira cómo te estás acostando.
Take that shit, man. I'm not taking that shit.
Nigga, I'm not scared, bro. I just gotta take a piss.
Yeah, Jesus Christ is with me, nigga.
All I know is whoever's doing this house is doing it so wrong.
Why?
They don't got rolls, my nigga.
This is how they do it. It's like.
This why we. How you feeling, brother? Your back hurts?
Hell, it's just uncomfortable as fuck.
He said he's uncomfortable as fuck.
Fuck that. If you're a comfortable nigga, I'm gonna come back.
Ahora tú cómo estás acostado, enséñame. You're fucking stupid, bro. Hey. Someone big.
Right there, around the corner, disappeared.
Alright. Hell no. Fuck no. They're fucking hunting us right now, bro. At 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock. Nigga, this the time. That motherfucker's getting to us, bro. My nigga was asleep and now he's fully awake. Oh, hell nah, nigga. Brother. Nigga, I'm kinda scared, my nigga, but the Lord got me, bro. The Lord got me. This challenge is being successful, though, this time for sure. Ain't no one gonna scare us, bro. Don't be scared, brother. Just pray. Alright, y'all, so before we leave, we're gonna do a tour. There is the bathroom, and there's the room. You feel me? And over here, we got the laundry room. You feel me? And then here is just a random ass closet. And here is an unsafety work material. As you guys can see, this is unsafe, bro. OSHA, I hope OSHA sees this. And then we got another room over here. You feel me? And then we got a bathroom. Bro, these guys do not know how to work. Like, there's no tape here yet, bro. Like this company be hiring just anybody, bro. So we're coming up the stairs. How you feeling, brother?
I'm cool.
And then we got the master room, bro. This is the master room, you feel me? Bro, we should have stayed in the master room. The bathtub is bigger.
Cause you know why?
Huh?
We hear the scream.
Oh, and then this is a closet, bro. I don't know how big this closet to be, but and I'm telling you, bro, they hire anybody. You can go to the other side of the house over here.
You better beat that. Tell them how long we will usually take in this house.
This house takes us up to 12 hours. It has 2 sides, bro. We're on the other side of the house now. Supposedly, this is like a studio, bro.
Yeah.
It's a studio. Anyways, I'm about to dip.
Yeah.
We're dipping a little too early, bro, because my nigga Hector has to be at his mom's at 7. Damn, bro, I'm telling you, look, they have the scaffold and they're not even using it. You see, they're not even using it. They give 2 fucks. But I had to come in here, bro. Yes, sir. I had to come in here. I had to pee hella bad. Ain't no way. Hey, open up the trunk, bro, because I'm finna get me water. Alright, y'all. So it's currently the next day, bro. And it's 12:45 in the afternoon or morning? Oh, afternoon. But anyways, how am I feeling? I fell asleep like at 5:30, and I woke up at 11:30. So like I'm barely kind of waking up, like an hour into my wake up. I'm not scared of nothing, bro. I feel fine. But at the moment, I'm gonna have some quesadillas. Yes, sir. Shout out to Maddie's mom for these. Shout out to Maddie and Maddie's mom, bro. These look bomb as hell. Anyways, I'm finna get to eating. I already know I got my Monster. Hey, it's kind of surprising that I finally in the morning don't have 7-Eleven. I'm actually at 7-Eleven right now. I'm gonna get a scratcher. But make sure to hit that like and subscribe button and stay tuned for more vlogs coming through. Yes, sir. Sheesh.